I feel so good with myself. Come. Hi guys.
Remember banana.
I use his own products to cure his own injury. Hey guys, good morning.
That's really
Say hi. It is something. My skin feels very soft. Bye. Look at me now. Hey guys, I'm going to church. I can't remember the last time I was in church this year. Me and God know the quarrel, so let me go to church and just, you know. Mama, for being that my trouser case, so not the kid. Instead, being from Yomi Momi, cup came coming, being from the cup. So let me go to church. I just had my breath. Of course, I just get ready, wearing a simple dress, and I'm going to wear a flat shoe because I don't have strength. I'm going to wear a flat shoe because I don't have strength. So let's go to church. Hi guys, so I just finished my facial skincare and I feel very soft. My skin feels very soft. You cannot relate because I mean you're not touching my face. Please follow us on Instagram to begin a healthy skincare journey with us. All right, Yomi, come and say hi. Come and say hi. Say hi. Say hi. You guys, this wound on his face was very fat. You guys saw it now. It was very fat, but it's been less than a week and it is curing. Using his own product. I use his own products to cure his own injury. I feel so good with myself and my craft. Anyways, I just stopped to hail you guys to you know, just talk to you guys because I think it's been a while. I gave you guys a shala. I don't know why I keep saying you guys, but it is what it is. Anyways, right now I just want to charge my phone and then get into the kitchen to like blend Yomi's puree. That's what it's going to be having for the night. Potato, sweet potato and carrot puree. That's what it's going to be having for the night, and then I'll save the remaining in the freezer, so he would have that maybe tomorrow for breakfast or some other time, but Isha will be in the freezer. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are good. Blessing, if you're not going to share about a cocoa, I can't lolo. If you're not going to don't say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Don't worry, this car, I'm going to treat this car too. You people not. I'm focusing on the injury first. Once it's gone, I'll treat this car. It will go. It shall go. Not this one. Oh yeah, rub that one, sha. Bye. Let me go blend my baby's food because it's almost 9. So he has to have his dinner and then sleep. I noticed that when I feed this boy very, very late at night, he sleeps throughout the night without disturbing. Like, he does not wake up to make all those funny sounds that he makes at night to stop somebody. So I've learned a new trick. I have to be feeding him either like 10 p.m. I have to be feeding him 10 p.m. every day. That's the only time he will eat very well and sleep throughout the night without disturbing me and his dad. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Good job. So yeah, I just finished blending and it's so smooth. And this is the one you'll be eating for the night. It's so smooth. I'm going to be saving this one in the freezer. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I dey come and collect something. I don't want no, don't soft too much. Thank you. I used to be. I just got this package now. It don't soft too much. I don't want soft. No, I don't want soft mango. How you doing? The licky mango. Do you like it?
Nice.
Yummy. Say yummy. I want to buy here. Yeah? Are you serious? Jesus. Cost so. And it's strong past this one, Abi.
So, that's something. Money at something. Money at some price. Money at something.
But the capacity, this one is 6,000. This one is 3,000. Yeah, these ones are even better still. So this one. Anyways, and then I saw some cute knuckle rings.
Abu, where you there now? Abu, may you carry yourself come here, please.
Ah, you guys, I just had my breath and I just, oh, why is this making my face muddy?
Yes, baby.
After using the black soap as my face mask, this is the result that I get after washing off my face. And I'm still going to cleanse this face, so, and I'm still going to rub face cream on this face. So, wait for it. No, what do you think I'm doing that you're saying no? No, don't want to say it here. Please. Don't allow him to pour this water. Oh God, why are you not slapping? Hey guys, good morning. Today is Sallah Saturday. Today is actually Saturday, but it's the weekend of Sallah. Yesterday was Sallah Friday and there was public holiday. My husband has been home and now I'm in my kitchen this early. It's like roughly 8:30 thereabouts, and my husband wants to eat grilled chicken. This is something I was supposed to make for him yesterday, but I was still lazy to because I had a lot in my plate, so there was no way I could make it yesterday. But I did something for him. I marinated it down just so I would make it today. I marinated it and then I freezed it, and yeah, so this is the potato. In fact, let me just show you guys so you guys should see. But just know that I'm about to make this yummy meal for my husband to eat for breakfast because that's what he wants. Alright, let me show you guys. Sweet potato too, and I'm sure this must have really soaked. I didn't cook it, I just peeled it and marinated it. Then I'm going to be grilling this alongside the chicken. Alongside the chicken that I marinated. This has really soaked deep into the skin of the chicken, so it's going to be very yummy. Let's get busy, guys. I'm about to grill that, what you guys just saw. This, I'm about to grill it. Some of my kettle is very, very old and dirty. I'll buy kettle, but I'll buy those African types in Africa, just enamel kettle. That's the one I'll buy because all these fancy does not use it. We abuse kettle in this house. Anyways, I'm about to marinate this. Bless the mama for food. That's to grill this.
Who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili. Who God is blessed, no man can curse.
What you guys just saw is the meat that I gave to my husband at work for the Sallah celebration. I tried to get ready. If you've been consistent on my channel, if you're my real OG, if you watch my channel, you know that in my husband's office, any celebration, Easter, Sallah, Christmas, they always give them things. This is a small Sallah, so it didn't come with bag of rice and vegetable oil. It just came in with meat, and this meat is even more than the one they gave him for Easter. I have a video on that where I was slicing it, and of course where I cooked and fried it. So if you've not watched it, go through my channel, you'd see it. Easter in Nigeria, that's how I tagged it. Anyways, I'm in my kitchen this morning and I just want to, you know, cut this meat into chunks. I also want to make porridge jam this morning because that's what we'll be eating as breakfast. A stew, but I don't want us to eat rice and stew today. Today is Sunday, by the way, if you don't know. And I didn't go to church today. I actually went last Sunday, but I'm in my kitchen right now and I want to get busy, so why not get busy with me? All right.